Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo Y22s device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this phone. So, firstly, you need to know that in Europe, in United States of America, and in the list of other countries, call recording is restricted by the country laws. So, if you are in the other country where call recordings are not restricted, you can use just a pre-installed phone application to record calls. To record call, just open phone application, click on the three dots on the right top corner, click settings, and here you will see under block numbers, here you will see call recording. Just open it and click record record calls, and that's it. But if you have not this option as me, you need to use 30-part applications, and I suggest to use Cube ACR app, because you can use it completely for free. Of course, it has a premium version, but in premium you will get only cloud storage, and that's it. So click open, click next, grant permissions while using the app, allow, enable app connector, find here Cube ACR app connector, click on it, click use Cube ACR app, allow, click OK, go it, allow to run in the background, click allow, click no thanks, OK, go it, and great, here you have unlimited access. What unlimited access gives you: cloud backup, app lock with PIN, instant post-call actions, and no ads, and more. So just click on the cross in the left top corner, and now you can use it. So now go back to the home screen, click on Recent Apps button, and lock this application. So to do it, just find this app in Recent Apps and swipe it from up to down to lock icon appears here. And that's it. Now your calls will be recorded automatically, but you need to know that this application will record only sounds from your microphone, but not the internal speaker sounds. So if you want to, this application will pick up not only your voice, but the voice of your communication partner. You need to install root access, or I suggest to use the speaker mode to your microphone when you're talking with your communication partner. Just enable speaker to your microphone, pick up your voice and voice of your interlocutor. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.